Assalamualaikum. My name is Madalina binti Muhammad Isa. My number metric is 27652. My friend and I will be pair, and the topic we both choose is nature, about ocean habitat. Today we will talk about topic related to nature. As we know, ocean is a big part of nature, where it covers 70% part of the world. Ocean also contains 66.5% water, where it play important role in nature. World have traditional divisions ocean it into four distinct regions: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic Ocean. Now, let's me explain more about ocean or sea. We know that ocean contain various of biodiversity. For example, coral, fish, mammalia, such as whale, plankton, mineral, and more, where it's from a perfect biology. All elements that I mentioned is important to create a perfect culture inside the ocean. Malaysia is one of the countries surrounded by the sea and has a variety of interesting biodiversity. One of location in Malaysia that have a ton of diversity is Tun Sakaran Marine Park, also known as Sempurna Island Parks. It's a marine park located off the east coast of Sabah, Malaysia. It contains more than 250 species of coral and 360 species of the fish. Now, let's cover up about importance of ocean towards ecosystem and humans. As we know, ocean provides resource of food to humans and other living things, such as protein from the fish, mineral, and seaweed. Ocean also provide a home to other living things and one of main transportations to human civilizations. Coral is house for marine life to create balanced ecosystem, and coral also works as source foods for turtle and other living things. Meanwhile, ocean also provided transportation for humans to move ship and boat from these gates, where it's helping human to expand and improve civilization. Sea helps to float ship that contain weight. For example, a large cargo ship that measure 1,400 feet long by 200 feet wide as an approximate dead weight of 2,020 tons. For your information, ocean also provide half of oxygen and hold 50 times of carbon dioxide than land. This is because sea are bigger than land and provide place to store carbon dioxide that been released by human civilization. Lastly, sea also provide best recreation place to human, not only fishing but also boating, kayak, scuba diving, and ocean provide us with so many unique activities. So To recap all of the points, show how ocean important to humans and our ecosystem.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and hello all. My name is Nur Ida Yubet Yusof, matrix number 276677, and come, let's continue with my part. But before I start my presentation, I want to say sorry to our lecturer due to my sore throat. If you guys want to know, global threats to coral reef, increased ocean temperature and changing ocean chemistry are the greatest global threats to coral reef ecosystems. These threats are caused by warmer atmospheric temperature and increasing levels of carbon dioxide in seawater. The overall health of coral reef in Malaysia is considered to be fair, but has been slowly declining in the last 5 years, according to a report by Reef Check Malaysia. Human activities have significant impact on coral reef. Coral reefs are dying around the world. Damaging activities include coral mining, pollution, organic and non-organic, overfishing, blast fishing, the digging of canals, and access into islands and bays. Other threats include disease, destructive fishing practices, and warming oceans. Coral reefs are under relentless stress from myriad global and local issues, including climate change, declining water quality, overfishing, pollution, and unstable coastal development. Tourism, while relying on the appeal of coral reef, can be damaging when careless divers trample on corals or break off pieces as souvenirs. In addition, more and more coral and tropical fish are being harvested for the aquarium trade. You know what? We can do something to protect our coral reef. There are also many things you can do to ensure that you are environmentally conscious when you visit coral reef or coastal areas. There include things such as hiring local guides to support the economy, removing all trash from an area, never touching or harassing wildlife in reef areas, and avoiding dropping your boat anchor or chain nearby a coral reef. Then, stay informed and spread the word. Educate yourself about why a healthy coral reef are valuable to the people, fish, plants, and animals that depend on them. Your excitement will help others get involved. Coral reefs are unique, biologically rich and complex ecosystems that are sometimes called the rainforest of the ocean. The decline of coral reef destabilizes the world ecology and can have negative economic impact. There are ways that we can help to protect coral reef. Firstly, we can avoid striking or touching a coral reef. Secondly, don't fish or boat near a coral reef. Thirdly, do not litter on the beach or in the ocean. It is because leaving behind things like fishing, natural garbage on a beach can harm coral reef. Number 4, if you want to snorkel and scuba, you need to make sure that you dive with care. And lastly, we can practice general conservation. Coral reef play a vital role in sustaining the health of our ocean and our economy. There are also many things we can do to ensure that we are environmentally conscious when we visit coral reef or coastal areas. Lastly, we need to work together to protect and restore the world's coral reef from the effects of climate change and other impacts from human activity. Okay, that's all for me. Thanks. Bye-bye.